Discover an incredible opportunity that will redefine your life. Are you ready to be amazed? All it takes is dedicating just 30 seconds every day to a profound prayer technique, and you'll witness an extraordinary transformation. Within a mere month, experience unbelievable positive changes that will unfold in your life. Ignoring these steps might lead to attracting the exact opposite through your prayers. This technique stems from the teachings of Neville Goddard, and let me assure you, it's remarkably powerful. Neville Goddard encourages you to embrace this technique and witness its profound impact firsthand. Imagine the possibilities that await as you commit a mere half a minute each day to this practice. Your life could take a remarkable turn, unveiling a path of positivity and fulfillment. Don't miss out on the opportunity to experience the magic Neville Goddard's teachings can bring to your life. Because when you pray, you step into your hidden sanctuary. No, it's not about your physical closet. It's something far more profound. It's about shedding the confines of your external world and immersing yourself in the kingdom within you. As you close the door metaphorically, mind you shutting out the clamor and barriers of the world, you're entering sacred space. In that sacred cocoon, let distractions fade away. The chatter of your senses dims as you delve into your prayer. Imagine feeling it becoming real around you as if it's already happening. This isn't just about whispered words, it's about the energy that swirls within, manifesting your deepest hopes and desires. So, when you retreat into that inner sanctuary, shut out the noise. Embrace that moment where your prayer takes shape. It's about tapping into that boundless potential residing within you, crafting your reality in the sacred silence of your sanctuary. Prayer is not something you just ask for pleading to God or your higher self. In Mark 11:24, the Bible talks about believing you've received what you ask for in prayer. But it's more profound than just familiar words. It's about sensing your thoughts, feelings, and consciousness with your desired outcome. See, prayer isn't merely about uttering words. It's about crafting a mindset of unwavering belief and expectancy. And guess what? This isn't just spiritual wisdom, it's backed by science. Imagine this mind-blowing concept, the observer effect. At the subatomic level, our observations and consciousness influence reality. It's not just some spiritual concept, it's scientifically proven. Isn't it incredible to think that your thoughts and consciousness have the power to shape the world around you? So, when you pray, it's about aligning yourself with the belief that what you desire is already on its way, drawing it closer with every thought and feeling. Amazing, right? Here's a prayer technique for you to try out. Begin by being grateful. Say, "Thank you for hearing me and giving me all I could ever want. I feel that thanks sink in." Then think about something specific you desire. Imagine it vividly. If you do this daily, just for 30 seconds, it'll make a big change. You're watching this video for a reason. Maybe you've been praying for something, feeling like it's just out of reach. Well, get ready because this technique can turn things around for you. Imagine you've been hoping for a promotion at work. You start doing this prayer thing regularly. Soon enough, you find yourself facing a crucial project catching your boss's eye. Suddenly, that promotion isn't out of reach anymore. That's how powerful this simple practice can be. You hold the power of creation within you, right down to the subatomic level. As Neville Goddard says, assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. It's not just about how your wish feels to your senses. It's about something more subtle. The essence of that feeling isn't about the sensory experience of your wish fulfilled. It's about something deeper. It's about knowing deep within that it's already fulfilled. It's about accepting its inevitability in your reality, much like you accept the sky being blue or the sun rising each morning. Focus less on how your wish physically manifests in your daily life and more on accepting it as an undeniable truth. Imagine your wish as a recognized, acknowledged part of your everyday existence. It's about being fully aware of its presence in your life, treating it as an absolute fact, just as real as anything else you experience. This understanding shifts the focus from the specifics of how your wish manifests to recognizing and acknowledging its existence as an unquestionable reality in your life. Embrace this perspective, for it allows you to truly integrate your desires into your reality by acknowledging their unquestionable presence in your world. It's about your fulfilled wish feeling like a natural, ordinary part of your life. Imagine this. Your wish isn't just about its physical manifestation. It's about how it seamlessly integrates into your everyday existence. It's not solely about how you experience your wish through your senses, but also about how it settles into your reality. It's about that feeling of ordinariness, where your wish isn't something distant or unattainable, but an integral and regular part of your existence. Embrace this idea, for it might just redefine how you perceive the fulfillment of your desires. It's time to put this into practice and witness its power. Begin by saying exactly as follows: "Thank you for hearing me. Thank you for blessing me with everything I could ever desire: money, love, business, relationships, health, and happiness. I am so grateful. I possess it all." Let me be more clear. Repeat this affirmation until you genuinely feel its essence. Now, here's where you add your personal touch. Let's say you want financial abundance. Rather than simply stating, "I want more money," delve deeper into your aspirations. Get specific about the exact amount of money you desire and what purpose it serves in your life. Envision the things you intend to purchase, the destinations you'll explore, and the individuals you'll support and uplift with your wealth. Visualize your specific desires by imprinting a vivid picture of them onto your imagination. Now, focus on your posture. Sit upright and align your spine, letting it serve as your connection to the universe and your dreams. Relax your shoulders, feel grounded, and lift your head high, embracing confidence. Feel the shift. Your dreams are closer than ever. Embrace this feeling of empowerment. You're worthy of your desires. Your beliefs and body language set the stage for manifesting your dreams. Feel the excitement building within you. You're on the verge of transformation. Try these prayers. "Thank you for hearing me. Thank you for blessing me with everything I could ever desire. I am so grateful. I possess it all." This technique is about gratitude and manifestation. As you repeat these words and infuse them with the essence of your desires, believe in their inevitability in your life. Embrace the feeling of already having what you seek, imprinting those images onto your mind's eye. This simple practice aligns your consciousness with your aspirations, inviting their manifestation into your reality. Take these 30 seconds daily to nurture your gratitude and empower the visualization of your dreams coming to fruition. Nothing changes your life more than your perspective. When you consciously shift your perspective and understand the power of your thoughts, you master your inner world as you repeat your prayers and gaze at your dream photos, putting on a wide, radiant smile. Let that smile exude joy, sending a message to the universe that you're open and ready to receive. Remember, to those who have more, more is given. It's the observer effect at play. Connect yourself to the life of your dreams by expressing sincere gratitude and appreciation for the abundance that already exists within. When you do this, you become a magnet for everything you could ever dream of and more. Keep believing, keep smiling, and watch the magic unfold. Until next time, believe in your power to manifest and keep that radiant smile on your face. Peace out.